Hello, friends. Today we will go to the park. We will play. We will have fun. Let's go. Max, let's go to the park.
The park?
Yes, I am excited.
Put on your shoes.
Okay, Mom.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Take your water bottle.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's go. Look, Mom, look. A bluebird.
Oh, yes, honey. It's beautiful.
I want to fly like that someday. Look, Mom.
What do you see?
Trees and birds.
Yes, it is nice.
I like the park. We are here. Wow. Do you want to play? Yes, please.
Can I try the swing?
Yes. Sit down.
Push me, please.
Okay.
Whee! This is fun.
Hello. Hello. Do you want to play? Yes. My name is Lily. My name is Max. Catch. Catch. I got it. Your turn. Thank you. This is fun. Do you want to play with this? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. My turn? Yes. Now your turn. Okay. Oh no.
Here you are.
Thank you. It's okay. Can I have it, please? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's play together. Okay. We walk here. Okay. We share. Yes. I will put it here.
Good job. You played very well today.
I feel happy. Time to go home.
Okay. Bye, Park. Bye, Lily.
Bye, Max.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
What did you like?
The swing and the slide. We are home. Home. Good job today. Thank you, Mom. Let's rest now. Okay. Hello, friends. Did you like the video? Please like and subscribe. Click the bell. See you next time. Bye.